All right, this is a demonstration here just to show people what I'm talking about. This is something that somebody else was trying to actually put in, and they were getting spin syntax showing up in their posts. So what I did was I took their article, and actually what they did was they copied from Word, Microsoft Word, and pasted it into the best spinner, then created the the spinner syntax version, and then copied it back out and pasted it in to the blog to create a new draft. Basically, I mean, this stuff looks fine. I'm just pasting it. I pasted it right into Notepad++, but the thing is, some of these things aren't correct. Like right here, you'll see Yule. This apostrophe here is perfectly fine, but in some of the other ones, if I can locate one here for you. Well, I can't right now, but we'll see one here in 1 second. I'm going to take and go to encoding, and I'm going to encode in UTF-8. And watch what happens. Here we go. Here's one here. So I'm going to code this back to ANSI for a second. Here's a perfect example. This is not a normal apostrophe, but if I encode this to UTF-8, which is basically just a standard format that anything will take, and that encoding will work with just about anything, I'll notice that it's highlighted as X92. If I go through and I replace these, with regular apostrophes, I think that was it. Oh, there's another one. And then I actually pasted that into the LocalPageNinja plugin. It would actually work fine and spin perfectly fine. So that's the big problem, where a lot of times when you grab something from a web page, or you grab it right out of like a word processor like Microsoft Word, and then you paste it in the best spinner still keeps it and doesn't actually get rid of it. Sometimes even if you paste it inside of like Notepad or something like that, it will keep it as well. But if you paste it into something like Notepad++ and actually change the encoding to UTF-8, it'll automatically show up like a sore thumb, and you can actually change that stuff and then paste it into your blog. So the people that were actually having trouble with something like that, that's the best solution I can come up with for right now, because it's it's just a quick thing to put it in here real quick just to make sure that everything's all right ahead of time. I'm guessing that most of the Mac and Linux users out there probably don't see this. It's more like a Windows thing, but other than that, that should actually help you straighten that out really quickly and not have those issues that might be frustrating some people.